Hi everyone, I'm Zena, master blender and founder at clubmagichour.com. I'm very excited to reintroduce you, if you haven't met it yet, Capricorn Tea. It's a tea blended just for you Capricorns and for any of you who have Capricorn leanings or Capricorn in your chart. Makes an amazing gift for the Capricorns in your life. I have a Capricorn rising, and so I say it's my saving grace. Capricorns are grounded, they're badasses, they get tons done, and they can climb any mountain. So I'm going to show you this tea. I formulated each of these incredible astrology teas to be as rare and uncommon as you. So each one has its own personality, like you. Each one has its own health benefits that benefit the sign, as well as, each sign actually manages, the planets manage certain parts of our bodies as well as plants, so it unites you with that. And this is Capricorn. This is a apple, two different kinds of oolong, pumpkin seed and spice tea. And this tastes like pumpkin pancakes and maple syrup. Oh, and there's little maple chunks in it as well. So look how gorgeous that is. So what we're gonna do is we're going to actually make a pumpkin oolong pancake latte. And I'm gonna show you how easy it is to blow your own mind, as well as the Capricorn minds, as well as anybody. Anyway, anyone can drink this. I mean, really, it's so spectacular. So I'm gonna let this steep for a minute as I read you the health benefits. And I'm not gonna make it not too much water because I want it to be strong. And you can steep this a couple times, the oolongs will open up. So what is it about oolong that is so unique and so amazing? Oolong is a partially fermented tea that is heading toward, it's a green tea that's heading toward a black tea. So what happens is you pluck the tea leaves and you roll them a little bit, let oxygen hit it and oxidize it just slightly, and then you steam it to arrest the oxidation. So you get all the benefits of a green tea, plus all the little benefits that start to be born as it's heading toward a black tea, and you get the benefits of a black tea. So it's like a triple whammy of health benefits, and it speeds metabolism. An incredible, it's been one of the most studied teas for speeding metabolism. It is really great for liver. It is really great for weight loss. It's really great for energy. It's really great for cholesterol, making sure that your bad cholesterol stays in check. And I'll read, let me read some of the health benefits. Okay, so as the tea steeps, we read the health benefits. So it contains also L-theanine, which is the beautiful amino acid that helps your brain be balanced. It helps to relax and improve cognition functions. And that is a study that came out of food science nutrition. A study by the British Cardiovascular Society suggests drinking oolong frequently can lower the risk of heart disease, and it aids in weight release, which is an observation by the MDPI journal. It increases bone and teeth health with density shown by an article on PubMed, and those were all based on scientific studies. So there's a lot of science behind the magic with tea. That's what's so awesome, because it's natural, there's no calories, it's got tons of antioxidants, makes you feel like a superstar, and it treats your cells like a rock star. And actually not like a rock star, because rock stars don't treat their cells very well. Anyway, it's also got apple in it, which is a great prebiotic for the digestive tract. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. It's got pumpkin seeds, which are high in vitamin E, manganese, phosphorus, and zinc, high in antioxidants, potassium, B2, and folate. And it promotes healthy bones, magnesium does. Contains the essential fatty acid alpha-linolenic acid, which helps to prevent heart disease, according to a study. And all the science is on our website at clubmagichour.com, and really does help. There's an article in PubMed that talks about the studies where pumpkin seeds and really can help you manage your blood sugar as well. Now, I sweeten this with monk fruit. So monk fruit is a calorie-free, non-glycemic, natural sweetener from a fruit named monk. Is it a monk fruit? Or is it a fruit named monk? Monk the fruit. Anyway, it's a monk fruit. And so it gives it this nice caramely, beautiful flavor profile. So I'm going to use our new fancy astrology strainer. And these are gemstones that are in, this is called a Navaratna. So these are the 9 planetary gemstones. And so we're going to go ahead and get this all nice and soupy and tea-y. Then we're going to pour it through the strainer. Oh my God. You are a stunning piece of art. So the mission at Magic Hour is to turn everyday rituals like tea into ceremonies of connection and taking the mundane, making it more magic. So every tea I design and every product I design, even every label we design, they are focused on allowing you to remember that life is magic and to not take one moment for granted. Okay, so that is super gorgeous. Look at that rich golden hue. And then all I'm going to do is add a little cream to it. And I'm going to enter a state of pumpkin pancake, maple syrup, metabolism-boosting heaven now. And if it's not sweet enough for you, you can always add a little raw sugar or more monk fruit or honey or stevia. But this one's just perfect. Okay, I'm gonna add a little, sorry, was that a weird growl? What was that? That was a super weird growl.
Getting crying.
I'm snorting. Okay, so this one makes us happy. And you wanna know why this makes us so happy? Because Capricorns are very serious. We are like the get it done sign of the zodiac, and we are a mountain goat. And so I'm gonna just make this even more beautiful. So this tea is a comforty, loving, warming, lighten up sort of oolong, literally lighten up. And I'm gonna sprinkle a little cinnamon. It's a lot of cinnamon, balances blood sugar. Okay, and now I'm gonna read the poem I wrote to you beloved Capricorns. Born of the winter, you climb the summit of rebirth with a force reserved only for the daughter of Saturn. As disciplined as Artemis, as sensual as Aphrodite, as powerful as the earth meeting the sea, we marvel at the bounty of your harvest in the longest nights. Bringer of light, queen of boundaries and beauty, you see the world as a mountain to climb, own, and tame. I used to write poetry. That was what I went to college for poetry and creative writing. So now I get to write poetry to all of you. So this is Capricorn. It comes with a beautiful card that tells you all the Capricorn traits and all the benefits, and it has recipes on it. And here is a Capricorn Oolong pumpkin spice pancake maple syrup latte. It is pure heaven, and it is made to bring you comfort and joy. Okay, here's to your health. Did I growl and snort in that one?